start taking action, start making money, or do nothing and stay poor. It's your decision. You need to get the low-hanging fruit. What if I told you that AI automation agency could be your ticket to becoming rich by 2025 and escaping this matrix, if you can say it like that? Might be one of the first ones to have an AI automation agency. The truth is that AI is coming for all of us, and soon businesses are gonna seem forced to start using AI, because if not, they're gonna be left behind and they're not gonna be able to make sales. In this video, I'll walk you through to the exact steps you need in order to start an AI agency automation. It's gonna be a really good video packed with a lot of knowledge, so make sure to stick around and let's get to it. We have step number 1, which is identifying your niche. One of the most important things in business overall when you try to start a business, identifying your niche. You need to find a blue ocean market. AI is one of the most powerful tools nowadays. You need to learn how to use it. For that reason, you need to identify a niche where you can actually implement these AIs and use it in real businesses. For example, you could build a chatbot for feedback, for AI assistant, for e-commerce stores. That's a really good product. I'm just giving you ideas. I know that's a really good product. You could do that. That's sort of the first step. You need to identify your niche, to find the perfect niche. And not only that, the best way to identify a niche is by looking for a blue ocean market. For example, you can do e-commerce, or you can do e-commerce by coaches or something like that. You need to niche down in order to get the best result. You need to first become really good at a section and then start scaling to the next one. Step number 2, you need to learn the basics of AI. What do I mean by this? You don't need to be a tech nerd or none of this to know how AI works. You could just be looking for YouTube, how does AI work? But learn how does AI work, the algorithms. How does it work? How does it do this? How does it do that? You need to learn how AI works. You need to start with the foundational knowledge, which is learn how the language works, how AI does the thinking, and how you can actually apply it in the real world. Step number 3. Choosing your AI tools is one of the most important parts in AI automations. Because if you don't choose the right tools, how are you supposed to do this? I'm gonna give you a quick example, a few AIs that you could be using for your AI automation agency. For example, we got Zapier. Zapier is one of the most important ones. We're trying to build an AI automation agency, because Zapier can handle most of the automations and everything you see. Of course, I'm not sponsored by it. I'm a new person, but I'm telling you, Zapier is one of the best. You should definitely use Zapier. Then we got Jasper AI, which is really good for creating content. If you want to start advertising, it's really good if you start selling this side. AI now. Another one, which is everybody knows it, ChatGPT. With the new release of 1.0 and ChatGPT 4.0, it's one of the easiest AIs to handle. You can easily use ChatGPT to make a few automations and actually leverage this AI. Now let's go to step number 4. Step number 4 is building a portfolio. What do I mean by this? You need to build a portfolio. For example, I will suggest for you to start this agency, you should start by selling free stuff. I don't mean free, but offering your service by free. If you give this service by free, it's obviously not going to be free, but if you give it, then you let them test it out, you over-deliver, then they're obviously going to want to keep buying from you. And that's the beauty about AI. AI is so new. AI automation agencies are so new. If you come in a business and you tell them, look, you got all this long process about sending emails, it's not automated. So what do? You come and you go like, every time somebody buys, they're gonna quickly be sent an email with their name. It's gonna write them a personalized email talking about how good is it, and then upselling them in the email. And that's really good. You could be doing that right now to making money. Now, step number 5. This could be the most important part about starting an agency or business overall. You need to market your agency. And how are you going to do this? Well, if you have no money and you're broke, what you could do right now is start by obviously marketing on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Use everything to do LinkedIn, everything, tags. Just market as much as you can. Try to get attention because in this new economy, the eyeballs make us money. So you wanna keep getting those eyeballs and selling them. You need to find those people. And one of the most important is marketing, because if you have a business but nobody knows it exists, how are you supposed to get clients? And obviously, if you have money, you could be running Facebook ads, YouTube ads, all of it, everything. You just start running a lot of them. Actually, I'm gonna be making a new video about how to do ads, how to manage ads. It's gonna be coming soon, so make sure to stick around for that video. Step number 6. Once you have set all of this apart and you're already making money, you need to start scaling your business. First of all, you're gonna obviously have to do that on scalable, which is probably sending emails, doing all stuff. But once you get that head of this, and you start to make money, you need to start to hire people. I suggest the most important thing to hire is an editor, because editing videos is one of the most hideous things you can do. So if you hire an editor, you're gonna be cutting time. You can use the time to send more emails, or no. You need to start replacing the scalable with scalable stuff. You need to start hiring people to do the hard work for you, and eventually work with scaling your business. You need to scale your business. Focus on creating a lot of money streams. That's the most important one. And focus on upselling these people. And the truth is that most of people are gonna watch this video and they're probably never gonna take action. And that's sad. That's really sad, because I just lay out all the tools you need in order to become rich by 2025. And you're still not taking action. You don't need money to start. You can do it for free right now. You just need to get started. That's the truth. A lot of people don't know that AI is free. It's not actually hard to learn. You can start an AI automation agency today. You don't need to wait for. You don't need to wait. You don't need to wait for when you're on your deathbed. You have done nothing. Think about that. Now you need to learn how to manage all these workflows, make your business, start making money, and imagine how your life will be a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, if you start right now. You get into the business world right now and start making money. Now, I think you might be wondering, now, what other AIs can I use to leverage right now? Well, there's gonna be a video coming up, which is gonna show you 5 AI tools that I suggest you to start using right now to get ahead of the curve and actually make money. That video is going to be coming up soon, so make sure to stick around for that. And for less, the future is yours. You have the decision to make right now. You either start taking action, start making money, or do nothing and stay poor. It's your decision. You need to get the low-hanging fruit. And thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the other one.